Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about buying car parts for your Freelander 2. And you might be thinking, Scott, aren't you stretching for video ideas? I mean, how hard can it be to go onto a website, a car parts buying website, stick in your registration plate and get a load of car parts up? And do you know what? You'd be 100% correct. That's exactly what you do for most parts on the Freelander 2. Annoyingly though, with Freelander 2 ways, as I like to call them, as the years went on, certain car parts got changed, upgraded, superseded, whatever you want to call it, especially with the whole pre-facelift versus post-facelifted Freelander 2. A lot of parts out there are incompatible with one another. You have to make sure you get the right parts for your car. And that's when a little bit of confusion comes in, because some of the parts get a VIN number associated to them. And what do I mean by a VIN number associated to them? Well, basically an easy way to ring fence parts for certain types of car was just to give details of like a VIN number, and then that way you can work out if that part is applicable to your car or not. What I want you to go and do in this instant is go and get your VIN number off of your car. I'm happy to wait, don't mind waiting. Right, got it? Cool. Go to the 10th character of your VIN number. Yeah? Right, that dictates what model of Freelander 2 that you own. And the confusion comes in kind of for the 2007 to 2009 model cars. Wouldn't it be nice if every car just got given a letter, for example, to make it nice and simple? But alas, not. People with a 2007 model car will have a 7 in this place. People with 2008 model of car will have an 8. 2009, you'll have a 9. Land Rover obviously run out of numbers, so then had to switch to characters. So as for example, our car is a 2010 model Freelander 2. That got given the letter A. 2011 got the letter B, so on and so forth, until you get to the letter F, which represents the 2015 Freelander 2, the final Freelander 2. So now you understand kind of what years associated to what letter or number should help you immensely into buying some of the car parts out there. A good example of this is when it comes to glow plugs. You'll have version 1 on this hand, and that will say up to AH followed by 6 nines. So that's basically saying every Freelander 2, including all of them in the year 2010. So you want version 1 glow plugs. Version 2 glow plugs, that will say onwards from BH 5 zeros ending with a 1. And then that basically goes onwards to cover 2011, the first car that rolled off the production line in 2011, all the way up to the last car that rolled off the production line in 2015. What I'll do at this point is I'm going to stick in a website above my head, and I'll also leave it in the description below, hopefully, of a parts website. I think it's a JLR official website, but don't quote me on that. It's a website that I use no end. It helps me work out what parts are applicable for what year of car, to make sure that if I'm buying a car part, that it works on our year of Freelander 2. The website is a bit cumbersome to navigate, but once you get your head around it, it's not too bad. You basically go through the sections to try and find your part, then click on the drop down menus, and that will show all the codes, the LR part codes, or whatever you might want associated to that part. It also shows if that part is different across the years of the Freelander 2. So in that way you can go to your car parts buying website, put in the actual LR part number for the part, so you make sure you get the exact part for your year of car. Hopefully this video has gone on to help you just a little bit. If it has, it'd be appreciated if you could stick a like on this video, stick a comment down below if it hasn't helped you, or if it's still confusing, leave a comment in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one, everyone. Cheers everyone, and goodbye.